Is your Ninja Speedi struggling to maintain consistent heat during slow cooking? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your slow-cooked meals will turn out perfectly tender and flavorful. Begin by checking your heat settings. The slow cook low function may not reach a rolling boil, which is normal. It's designed for gentle all-day cooking. If food isn't reaching desired tenderness, try starting on high for the first hour to build heat, then switch to low for the remaining time. Next, inspect the pot for overfilling. Overloading with ingredients or liquid can trap steam and disrupt heat circulation. Fill the pot no more than 2/3 full, and trim large cuts of meat to ensure even cooking. If the issue persists, clean the heating element and inner pot. Burnt residue or debris can block heat transfer. Use warm, soapy water to scrub the pot, and wipe the heating element with a damp cloth. Never submerge the base in water. For dishes requiring precise temperatures like soups or stews, use the Combi-Steam Mode. This function combines steam and slow cooking for faster, more even results. Adjust cook times as needed. Reduce by 20 to 30 minutes if food is overcooking. Ensure the lid is sealed properly. A misaligned lid or worn gasket can release steam and lower internal temperatures. Press down gently on the lid to confirm it's secure and replace the gasket if it's cracked or loose. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!